Hello and welcome to my channel Ramble for Rapture. This is Pooja Singh and I am in South Goa. South Goa has serene beaches and I really wanted to stay in South Goa in this trip, but finding a good accommodation here is a task. साउथ गोवा पे बहुत कम वीडियोस और ब्लॉग्स हैं, सो इट वाज डिफ़िकल्ट टू फाइंड अ गुड प्लेस टू स्टे. That is when Ramson's Resort came to the rescue and I'm really happy for choosing this place. Ramson's Resort is just by Agonda Beach and Agonda is the heart of South Goa. यहाँ से सारे साउथ गोवा के बीचेस मैनेजेबल डिस्टेंस पे हैं. सो लेट मी शो यू माई रूम इन द रिजॉर्ट सो दैट आप खुद डिसाइड कर पाओ कि ये रिजॉर्ट कितना सुंदर है. This is the resort. You have AC and non-AC rooms here. You even have a restaurant there. And now I'll take you to my room. So this is my room. You have chairs outside the room to relax or to maybe have a drink. So here it is. This is my room. You have cupboard here, AC, bed, cooler. You have every amenities here. And the bed looks good. Okay, it feels good too. I'll let you know tomorrow how I slept. Let's check the washroom now. Okay. The washroom looks clean and spacious. And you even have a geyser if you like to have a hot water bath. Let's check the beach because Agonda Beach is just 100 meters away. ये रहा अगोंडा बीच रिजॉर्ट के इतने पास. आप यहाँ बीच बेड पे रिलैक्स कर सकते हो, सनसेट एंजॉय कर सकते हो. लेट मी टेल यू, अगोंडा हैज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सनसेट्स. ये रहा अगोंडा बीच. Ramson's Resort is a beach resort and I strongly recommend कि आप यहाँ पे आकर स्टे करो. It feels like a perfect beach holiday. अगर आप Ramson's Resort में स्टे करने का प्लान करते हो then you can tell them about my YouTube channel and use my code RAMBLEFORRAPTURE02 to avail 10% discount. बाकी की डिटेल्स कि आप ये कोड कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो will be mentioned in the description box below. मैं साउथ गोवा आई अराउंड 2 बजे. In the morning we checked out from our hotel in North Goa and we explored the famous churches on the way. Let me show you. Good morning everyone. This is day 3 in Goa. Today we are leaving North Goa and will be exploring South Goa. Episode 1 and 2 were about North Goa and the coming episodes will be about South Goa. Goa is known for its churches, So on the way to South Goa from North Goa, we decided to stop by and see the churches in Panjim and Old Goa. Built in 1541 as a chapel, it was eventually replaced by a larger church in the 1600s as Portuguese religious expansion. Famous movies like Josh and Simba were shot here. It is one of the most beautiful churches in Goa. Right now we are at Fountain House. Fountain House is an old Latin quarter in Panjim, the capital city of Goa. It is just 5 minutes walking distance from Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church. यहाँ पे आपको पोर्तुगीज स्टाइल की आर्किटेक्चर देखने को मिलेगी. This place has maintained their Portuguese influence. After the lunch, we visited another church, Basilica of Bom Jesus. It is one of the oldest churches in Goa. This church holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier. इस चर्च के जस्ट अपोजिट एक और चर्च है, से कैथीड्रल. I am outside the largest church of Asia, Say Cathedral. It is just opposite Basilica of Bom Jesus Church, so you can visit both the churches at the same time. After exploring the churches, we are heading towards our hotel in South Goa. हमें 2 घंटे लगे ओल्ड गोवा से अगोंडा बीच पहुंचने में. And the roads in South Goa are so smooth. Definitely loved this long drive. South Goa पहुंचते ही हमने बाकी का दिन एंजॉय किया अपने अमेजिंग बीच रिजॉर्ट में. After the fulfilling dinner, I am going to relax at this beautiful resort. So that is it for this episode. I hope आपको ये episode पसंद आई होगी. अगर पसंद आई then you know what to do. Like, share and comment and make sure आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye. It is one of the oldest churches in Goa. This church क्या था भूल गए, एक मिनट. हाँ, पॉम्फ्रेट फ्राई एंड किंग मेरा ड्रेस फंस गया.